I just want to make breakfast quickly. My kids are already hungry, and it took such a long time for me to get everything that I needed ready. But I will show you guys what we are having. Is club sandwich, and this is going to be my first time trying it. But I remember that when I was in Dubai, when I traveled last year, it was one of the things that I enjoyed eating like every day. So I want to see if I can replicate it with, you know, I think I have an idea about how they made it. So I'm going to try to do that now, and hopefully my kids are patient enough to wait till it's ready. Eggs and some sausages. Hold on. I have cabbage, I have carrots, and then this is my salad mix. So I'll mix everything together now, and okay, I'm on it. First thing I did was to butter my bread and also to trim off the sides. So I'm going to start putting it now, and then I would put our vegetable mix inside, and then we'll make our sandwich. So I would spray this first. Please don't mind my little fan. This kitchen is very hot, so it is very essential I have that fan in here. So I'll put this side that has the butter here. I'll do the same thing here. Also, this is the mix. So I'll cover it up now, leaving the butter side up, and I'll do the same thing here. Then I'll close them together, turn it on. So I'll leave that to cook. See, the other green light is on now. Normally that's supposed to mean that it's ready, but I'll rather just wait till it goes off again, then I can be sure that it's actually brown enough the way I like it, because I like it very brown. I always wait for that light to go off, mark it off, so I can check it now. So I'll be using some watermelon and pineapple. an hour 30 minutes of preparation or more. I'm here having breakfast at 11 a.m. in the morning, which is about the time I actually eat every morning.